Koti ya chuka ninenkanirite WATHO WATHUGANIRUA batandatu gwikirwa mpine baraba kurenganithwa na kura mubiashara uritaira ngwewe ngerethaniwe FREDRICK KINYUA arabethirite baimura iranja ko kinkabe chuka baili bane ndi na banana bangi bakethira nindi kana bethirite baika kwa koti September 2022 ende gutina mwerekero yo koti bagetera bangi bawatwa kende gamba ridira Koti thana kuwa na utwikare mwe banana bankruki ibakurekana kuthukangia ngari ya KINYUA na kinyinto bingi bya mwana yo ngiri 90 Samuel beshimana ripoti ye
James Mwenda na Kenneth Mureithi ibamweba athuganirwa banana barabathitangitwe kotini ya chuka bakiringithanagua na gutura mubiashara umwe wa kuma Nthingone Cia Koti wadi ya Mugwe kwarietwa FREDRICK KINYUA ora arutagira wira yake nthiguru ya Amerika ntuwenu ariungite muchie ora bakujanagiria na mwekuru wake ora kinyagwe aruta wira nthiguru wenu ya Amerika. Mwenda amwe na Mureithi na athuganirwa babu bangi bathanthatu kuruki baririkana kwenyangia nkari ya KINYUA kuraba ijire iPad ya ugori bwa chiringi ngiri 70 bairi baba bakinyithirwo kotini mweri wa kenda mwaka wa ngiri 2022 araba kuthomerwa thitango bareganire nacio aramona ugu igamba riri tathiete mbere buri thau nuntu bwa athuganirwa barabangi bathanthatu baramwanka imunthi bataikinyithia kotini amona kuigwa kotini arutite watho bwa gwikirwa mpini. Mutongoria wa thitango na rombete mugambithania Oscar KINYUA awatithania magamba mairi maramaruguritwe nuntu bwa ikarikariri irombarira KINYUA aitigiritie arankuruki arutite watho bwa kuongera kagita kaborichi wochwana na athuganirwa babu bangi bathanthatu baikirwa mpini.
Good order again, Your Honor. My suggestion was to withdraw the matter where he is charged alone and we sustain the one where he is charged together with others. And the reason for that is so that we save time, so that we don't have to bring him back. Because ideally, if he is charged with other people, that implies that the offense was purportedly committed together with other people. He will have to face those charges together with his co-accused. In court 2, those co-accused are not charged.
And we raise that issue during the plea, so that we are in order. I think the court has already rendered itself. Whatever we are doing is taking the court back and forth. Let us sustain that position. When we appear before court 2, then we will state our position. Then the filing court 2 then can proceed on the strength that the other has been withdrawn. So that we don't again raise issues to say that he is again charging for a similar.
Igamba riri rikathi mbere tariki 11 mweri wa ithatu mwanka uju. Nkiripotera Weru TV kuma gichigo bunge ya chuka igamba ng'ombe mbita wa Samuel Gaishima.